I
am Justice. This is my 2016 fireworks off. I'm going to go from the small stuff to the big stuff. So first up, we have at least like 15 M60s, 15 packages of these Thunderbomb firecrackers, 5 of these Black Cat firecrackers, 100-piece water bombs, 4 M160 firecrackers, 2 of these cherry bomb strips that I can wrap around my neck, these new like firework cap gun things. These are like the bullets. We got some pink smoke, or I don't know what it is. Bamboo flaming panda. A gross of these whistling moon travelers. 3 little bugs. We got 100 dancing butterflies. Weird fountain, some pull string smokes, pockets, another firework gun, whistling moon travelers, bottle rockets, couple sparklers, crackling balls, colored crackling balls actually, speed demons, normal crackling balls, tortoise, 4 packages of pop-pops things, whistling rose.
It's a Piccolo Pete.
A punk, the jade flowers, a killer bee, which we got last year and it was fantastic. A brick of ground bloom flowers, which was actually $5, a good deal. Buy one, get one free can of worms. More fountains, like tons of fountains down here, over in this area. Party poppers, guns and party poppers, snakes, fun snap, snakes, wait, I think I already said that. This thing, which doesn't really have a name, a lot of Roman candles, and now we're going to go on to some of the really, wait, nope, we still have a few more. B-3 bombers.
Why don't you show one of those, what they look like?
They are like flying ground bloom with firecrackers attached to them. We got 2 Saturn missiles, 1 color pearl, 2 100-shot magical shots, barrage, blue stars fountain, garden in spring, happy fireworks 36 shots. Wait, I forgot how much shots this is. Oh, it's a fountain. 16-shot lion soul. And now we're going to go to our 500-gram stuff. But before that, we got 6 canister shells. And I can't read the performance because it's really tiny. But you can read it if you want to. And you can pause the video.
Okay.
Read it. We got the 9-shot 500-gram sucker punch. And then we got total blast, 21 shots, and you face the warning label towards the audience.
Okay.
And thank you for watching my video.
All right.